Hi, I'm Trish.
Hi, I'm Julia.
Together we are I.invision, and we help you to reclaim your clarity so you can also tap into your inner strength and rediscover your power
And your purpose.
So we have designed some unique workshops. They are a series of 2 workshops that are 1 month apart, and they're designed to help you redesign your life.
We've redesigned our lives a couple of times, actually, in the case of Trish. Yeah. And me in particular, because I am an EFT tapping practitioner, I work with energy, I was really curious about how I could use EFT tapping and the science of energy to redesign my life, and I've managed it. And the 4-stage model is the result.
Yeah, it's a really unique 4-stage model, and it connects all of your senses to all of your desires and all of your dreams. So maybe you've had some desires and dreams that are sort of left at the bottom of the laundry basket. Well, this is a really good chance to create some space and to have a bit of a play and tap into your imagination and work out how you can live your most fulfilled life.
The other great thing about this program is that because Trish is a nutritionist, we help with the processing of getting you from where you are to where you want to be in a really smooth and comfortable way.
Yeah, and really this is deep coaching, but it gets really fast results.
Because it uses all of you, not just, say, the 5% of that most people are playing with. It uses everything.
So come and join us on our workshops. Rediscover your power, rediscover your inner strength, and get some clarity on what you want your future to look like.
And rediscover your purpose as well. Have fun, play with